Hello, my name is Christian Mandl, and I will be speaking at the International Symposium on Immunology on novel and disruptive technologies for immunobiologicals. During my entire career as a professor at the Medical University in Vienna, as the head of research for Novartis vaccines in Boston, and most recently with various biotech companies, I've been fascinated and particularly interested in this interface between basic molecular research and the application of new insights for the development of new medical products. These are really exciting times for this interest because a lot of things are happening. Our understanding of both the pathogens and the immune system is growing quickly, allowing a lot of new technologies and applications. Out of this vast field of opportunities, I will focus in my presentation on three topics. The first one, the specific molecular structure-based design of antigens with the aim to elicit superior immune responses. The second one, the use of viral vectors for vaccines and immunotherapeutics. And last but not least, the really fast developing field of nucleic acid vaccines, particularly RNA-based vaccines, which promise to totally disrupt the way we generate immunobiologicals. I very much look forward to discussing all of these topics with you at the symposium. See you there.